What do you think it's about?
What?
This movie. I think it's about the subconscious.
Say again?
Well, sharks are these ancient primal creatures, right? So they represent the primal fear in all of us? All the terrors and desires we keep hidden? All the Freudian stuff my therapist's always going on about. I mean, that's what the shark is. You don't agree?
I think it's about responsibility. You know, when the government puts profit before people's lives, you can't get rid of the bastards. You just gotta take care of the mess yourself.
What about you, Robert? What do you think it's about?
It's about a shark.
Yeah, no, I know that, but what's it really about?
It's really about a shark. Don't read any more into it. It's a thriller. A machine for making money. Do you really think people are going to be talking about this in 50 years?